Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will explain to you about the flow of authentication with GetX. Alright, first of all, so make sure you already make the folders like GetX structure. There is a controllers, pages, routes is built modular, so the function is different. Every folder has a own function. Okay, first in the pages routes, we have two pages for login and home. Okay, just two. And don't forget to put the the destination of every route in here, destination page. Forget to import. Okay, we are done in this. So in main Dart, okay, in so to save the information about authentication, we use get storage with a zinc and a white. Okay, so every we run the application, we will initialize the get storage. Okay, and okay, don't forget to we are also in controllers. We have authentication controller and login. Okay, forget. Okay, first of all, there is a I use OBX to observation the status, the state. So I off the debug false, and in the home, in the when the users open the app, there is a like the operator to check the auth is already sing in or sing out. So is the user sing in, so it will be redirect into home. So if the user not authenticated in storage, so it will be redirect in login page like that. And there is a circular progress indicator. Okay, we are doing this, and the controller out C. Variable. I will find the login pages. Login pages. Uh, okay. For that, I will run the. Okay, there is some variables to. Okay, so in the first variable hidden through ops to hide the words of password in the login page. And for remember me, false OBS, the default is false and the default of password is hidden. And in remember me, there is a function to option to save the authentication information or not. And in the default, I'm not I'm the one to save the information of authentication. So there is a purpose led to save the input from email and password. And okay, we have a storage. Okay, so when user input the data, the email, so the email and password and data remember me, it will be input automatically in get storage. Okay, and make this email the data input as map. Okay, mapping like that. So let's open the my app. Okay, so we're in this. So on the authentication, there is a data for email and password, and there is a dialog to catch the error here until it's good for your X until the user know what's the way the app is doesn't run. Okay, and uh okay, there is a function to auto login until if I know what if I close the application, refresh the application. If I, for example, I already sign in, okay, and I refresh the application, so the function of login is until I don't get out from homepage, so I don't retrieve the authentication. Okay, so final there is a final box variable final box. It's two has a key storage value. So if the was the variable is variable in the storage uh, detect the user is authenticated. Okay, so the function it will be run our authenticated out it will be run the login function automatically, so the user don't need to doing authentication more. Okay, there is a function to input the data. So in the login, we receive the email, variable, password, and remember me. And remember me, the type is boolean. So between the true and false. Async. So async it's we wait until the user enter the input the data. Okay, there is a check to make sure the email and password don't now empty. Okay, now this operator the meaning is anonym. Okay, anonym. Okay, to make sure the email and password is not empty. So the operator is uh this one and the one this email and password is must be filled, not just one. Okay, so there is a get we use get utils is email to check are the email the type of text email in the email input is valid or not. Okay, so if you click the remember means the data in email or password it will be saved in get storage. Okay, right data user like that. There is a function is the void logout. There is also function to logout final box storage if backslash data. So if the box read the data user, for example, I enter as admin. So if I admin click the logout, the box read it will be find the data of admin and erase it for get storage, and the is out automatically redirect into false. Okay, and then let's go to pages. Okay, in the pages I will don't forget to what to find the login and out in main yes we already put the controllers in main, so we just need to find the controller in loginer. Okay, mm, email. Okay, so if you remember, we in this in login, we have hidden function. It's to hide the text in password. You can see in this icon I use hidden row. So if well, in the default files, in the default hidden, if I hidden, so the icon is remove casual, red casual. But if I make it displayed, I change the icon to outline, just outline. The there is a unpressed to this is function to save in login controller. Function to no in authentication to save to run the function, this function login, like that. For example, I will check the storage, the what's okay, the input data, it will be it should must be filled. Now you can see in the error here, simple dialog error here, you can see. Okay, dialog error. Udahlah, maybe it's enough. So the what's the this dialog, this error apa this dialog error is clear. So I will make the email. Okay, wait. Okay, I make it. Okay, email is enough. So email is must to with contents at gmail.com. So let's test gmail.com. Okay, so let's check. Okay, the data user is not valid, isn't valid. So this. So before, because I don't uh, register this account, I will use authenticated account. So this function is already running. So it's so for example, you must to remember I not check the checklist this button remember me if I login. Okay, running. So if I want to in home there, I want to log out. So if I press the logout, so the function of logout it will be running here. It will be running. Okay, but I I want to check if I refresh the browser. Okay, I don't click the logout, and the user is automatically logged out from app. Let's see the result. Okay, automatically logout. Admin. Okay, so if I checklist the remember me. Okay, and I refresh the browser. Let's see. in the result. Okay, still in the page. So if I click logout, okay, this user data is still I can log out and the data is still here because I use Capstone. Maybe that's it from this video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.